Alright, YouTube, it's early. I got some packs that I want to open before work. We got a Temporal Forces pack and a Paradox Rift pack. Alright, first pack to open up is the Temporal Forces, and let's see what we got inside. Hopefully something good, I will say. I am hoping for at least an EX. Code card to the side as always. Energy on bottom. And I want to say Fire Energy. Oh, Fist Energy, not bad. Ooh, Pikachu. Ghastly. Yeah. Sizzlipede. Latias. Ancient Booster Energy Capsule. Iron Treads. Ooh, Puchenya. Reverse. Skitty. Reverse. Okay. And another Relicanth Hollow. Not too shabby. We'll put it to the side for now. Next up is the Paradox Rift pack. Let's go ahead and open that up. Now this does include one foil card, so I am semi-intrigued to see what they give me for the card. Alright, put the pack down and... oh, a Kingambit card. Not pretty nice, honestly, I will say. And then let's get this opened up. As always, code card to the side, energy on bottom, and let's say leaf energy. Another fist. It's alright. We got Yamask, Spinda, Tinkatat, or Tinkatink, Tandemaus, Tulip, Veluza, Chantal, Reverse Hollow Yamask, Reverse Wochen, and a Volcanion. Pretty nice though, I will say, for the hollow. And as always, gotta sleeve up the hollows because they like to get scratched up easily. Let's get all of these in here. Nice and easy and nice and quick. And last but not least, the Puchenya. Alright, this is everything I pulled. If you want to see another one, leave a like.